Good evening, everyone. Today is Wednesday, June 28th, 2023. Still struggling with my wind up toys. Sorry. I just want to show you some updates. I printed all of the parts, they're the updated one. I also included a rubber band on the wheel to give some friction. I just printed a new cogwheel because I think it's just the teeth for this cogwheel is not tall enough. So now this is the latest cogwheel that I printed because I assume if it's tall enough it should move the entire gear. That was the problem yesterday. So yeah, now I'm gonna test it out and see if it finally turns or not. I already attached everything here. I just need to put the spring in place so that when I turn it can start winding. I'm gonna include the wheel just to test it out if it gonna rolls or not. Also yesterday, one of the main problem was that the hole for the axis, they are still too tight. Now it can rotate freely, which is great. So now I just need to put this all, I just need to put this so that all the wheels will stay in place. Before this I already assembled everything to see if it's gonna work, but unfortunately it didn't. That's why I come into a conclusion that maybe because one of the cogwheel, especially the big one that is connected directly to the spring, it doesn't really eat the other wheel, so it doesn't rotate under pressure. Okay, now they're all connected. I'm gonna add this for the winding part to see if they're all okay. They are all now assembled. This is how it looks like. Now it's the moment of truth. Let's see if we wind it. It still doesn't rotate. One more. Still doesn't turn the wheel for some reason. I'm gonna try to lift it up and see if it's gonna work. Okay, I think the wheel rotate. Now, if it doesn't have any weight pushed through it, let's try again. One more time. Yeah, it does. It still doesn't rotate freely still though. Let's try again. if I wind it strong enough, the wheel somehow turns, even though for a bit. Let's try it now again on the ground with, but I'm gonna wind it much more now. I'm gonna use the key to see. So yeah, I think I kind of know the problem now. The teeth on the cogwheel, I don't think they're necessarily the main problem here. I think it's just because the spring is too weak somehow. It's still not thick enough. So tomorrow I just need to try to make it reduce the spiral, but make the hands much more thicker and see if it's gonna work. But yeah, this is what I had so far. This is how it's gonna look like. This is the slot where you put the barrel in. To just show you how it looks when you assemble things together. So the way it works is I made sure everything is easily attachable and detachable. I think I'm using a 1.75 filament to kind of like peg everything in place, and I'm using also this type of design inspired from Tamiya before. So you just need to put like this, and then I have this small thing that will slot at the back and it will lock everything in place. It doesn't slot in though. Let me quickly check. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. And then you're supposed to slide this inside. Let me quickly check. As you can see here, you need to slide this in. There you go. So it will slide like this, and then you put this tunnel for you to load the barrel. So this is how it's gonna look. So the idea here is that you can load the bullet from the side like so. Wait a minute. the idea is you can load this from the side like so, and then you can shoot it using this winder. I also realized that I think the bullet is still too heavy, so either the bullet is too heavy or this is not long enough to push it through, so I need to work on that as well. Anyway, yeah, I never imagined that it would be this tricky to make, but yeah, I guess I'm getting there. At least I know what I need to work on. So yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, so that's a bit for today. I'm gonna start fresh tomorrow, changing the spring, the winding spring, make it a bit thicker, and hopefully it works. And I'm gonna make the bullet much lighter. Maybe I'm just gonna use 2% infill or something, and if it still doesn't shoot, I'm gonna make this much longer. So yeah, that's the to-do list for tomorrow, and also update from today. Yeah, a bummer that still doesn't work, but at least everything assembled nicely together. And yeah, I just need to figure out how to do this whole spring tomorrow. Anyway, that's a bit for today. See you in the next log entry.